happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life has to offer. God bless you and more blessings to come. Please enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Amanda Page. More birthdays to come and more contents, pageant contents to come.
Thank you, Ma. Congrats!
Hi, Amanda Page. I heard that you will be having your birthday very soon. So I hope for you to have many more birthdays to come. See you very soon. Ay, nandiyan ka lang pala.
Thanks, Ma. Chocolate.
Hi, Amanda Page. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ma.
Hello, Miss Amanda Page. Thank you for supporting me in every pageant that I joined to. I hope that you are going to engage a lot of videos to your social media followers. And please do like and follow Amanda Page on Facebook.com. Just search Amanda Page. So, yeah. Ha!
Kita 50? Kita?